住在纽西兰的台湾女生莉亚。
Today's video is about our trip to Franz Josef.
Where are we going?
Right now we're going to Wanaka. Food.
Yeah.
After that, I don't know actually. We're heading to Franz Josef. That's our final destination. But if we see something pretty along the way, I'm sure we'll stop. So, a bit of a road trip, really.
Do you know where are we going, Franz Josef?
Why are we going to Franz Josef? No, I've got no idea. It's not like I organised this.
What does that mean you organized this?
What are you talking about?
It was my idea. And we searched it.
Yeah, okay, kind of. Kind of. What was your idea, but who's done pretty much all the work?
No, you didn't do all the work, you just pay the money.
I just paid the money. And researched it.
No, we researched it together. We did the research together. The accommodation and the activity.
Okay, so yes, we're heading to Franz Josef so that we can go up onto the Glacier. We are doing a helicopter hike tour.
Yeah.
We're going to fly us, weather permitting, shall I say.
Yeah.
It'll be snowing up there at the moment. At the top, the top of bit of ice moves about a metre a day. So it's always moving. It's like a big frozen river pushing out. So what happens is we get about 30 metres of snow. Okay, all good.
Oh, God, yeah.
I think
Two. Another two spare.
we'll see if we can move. We'll see if we can just shift it that way.
So back to quad bike. You said the weather. You said the weather.
It was very wet.
You said weather.
Are you going to try this again? The entire time.
You say
Do you want to compose yourself? Start again? No.
You said weather is better.
That was... Yes. Yes, so that was a promotional code they used.
Okay, say it again. Weather is better.
Wetter the better.
Wetter the better. Which is mean.
The wetter it is, the better it is.
Yeah. So we went to Franz Josef. And what did we do there?
Well, we attempted to do a helicopter flight, but that kind of got rained off.
so we went on a quad bike tour instead.
What do you think about quad bike?
I thoroughly enjoy quad bikes. That's because I'm more an adventurous off-roady type than you are. And judging by your experience on said quad bikes, yes, you're definitely not the adventurous off-roady type, are you?
No, but the point is, I try something I haven't tried.
I know.
Yeah.
Which is what I'm always going to push you to do. Because you'll never know what you'll enjoy until you try it.
You say push my limit.
I'm going to push your limits every
So
step of the way.
I can push your limit as well.
Do you know what my limits are?
Your limit is like tidy the room every day
Yeah, but that's
and
boring.
vacuum the
That's
floor.
boring stuff. I'm going to push you for the exciting stuff.
No, I push your limit about like self-discipline and the cleanness and the tidy and the take shower every day. That is your limit. You will never know what you can
You're setting me out
do.
to be a really... You're not using this, by the way.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
Hello, viewers.
What we can
Very
be,
warm, very nice.
life
Get
with
in.
no distraction.
Okay. Say you are ready to be a model.
This is what we waited for.
Where is that confidence from?
For facts.
Take my
Must be
hand,
facts.
we'll make it somehow. We